Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Glip. If we go to settings, in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here we'll search about Glip and we click. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter the storage, then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.